Welcome to school.
We need better thing, motor.
Motor? Now we go thief today. Correct. Lie down.
What's going on here?
That's the key.
Give me the key.
That's the key.
Give me the key.
Enter.
Come on, get out from this place.
Enter inside.
Stupid boy.
Enter. Start the key.
Huh?
Start the car.
Start waiting.
Start the car now.
I know Sabi drive now.
Hey!
You know Sabi drive.
You expect me to go drive? My leg short. And my leg won't reach there too.
You know Sabi drive. Now you say more thief motor.
Oh.
I got to go. Now you go take this thing. Now you don't make us wait this thing more thief now. Eh? Now you
Try now. Go.
Allah! Sorry. School 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching that episode. Keep watching School 2.
Let me start the car.
Start which car? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our videos. Feel free. Thank you. You know Sabi drive is a more country motor. I don't know what they do.